Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you a new dance that I choreographed called Daddy's Money. It is a 32 count, 2-wall improver level line dance with a fun country cha-cha feel. With Father's Day is around the corner, I would like to dedicate this dance to all the dads out there. Let me show you the dance.
Can't concentrate on the preacher preaching, my attention span done turned off. I'm honed in on that angel singing up there in the choir loft. She's got her daddy's money, her mama's good looks, more laughs than a stack of comic books. A wild imagination, a college education, add it all up, it's a deadly combination. She's a good bass fisher, a dynamite kisser, country as a turnip green. She's got her daddy's money, her mama's good looks, and look who's looking at me.
This wall 4, we're going to dance 8 count. We do a 4 count tap here. And we start 1, 2, 3, 4. Before we begin the tutorial, let me quickly review 2 steps that appear several times throughout the dance. The sachet and forward shuffle. A sachet is a side-together-side movement, and a forward shuffle is a forward-together-forward movement. Let me show you the sachet. Step right foot to right side. Step left foot next to right and transfer your weight to left. Your weight is on your left. Step right foot to right side. Side, together, side. 1 and 2. Let's do one more time. Right sachet. 1 and 2. Left sachet. Step left foot to left side. Step right foot beside left and transfer the weight to right. Your weight is on your right. Step left foot to left side. And your weight is on your left. Side, together, side. For the count is 1 and 2. So we'll do a right sachet and a left sachet. Side, together, side. Side, together, side. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. For the forward shuffle, let me show you at 3 o'clock directions. Step right foot forward. Step left foot beside right. Transfer your weight to left. Step right foot forward. Forward, together, forward. Count is 1 and 2. Step left foot forward. Step right foot beside left and transfer the weight to right. Step left foot forward. So it's 1 and 2. This is the left shuffle. Okay, we do a right shuffle, 1 and 2. A left shuffle, 3 and 4. Let's start the tutorial. Starting with weight on left. Step right foot to right side. Step left foot next to right and transfer the weight to left. Followed by a right sachet. A side, together, side. A forward rock. Step left foot forward. Recover your weight back to right. a left sachet. Side, together, side. And your weight is on your left. So side, together, right sachet, side, together, side. Forward rock, recover. Forward rock, recover, a left sachet. Side, together, side. One, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Cross right foot over left. Recover the weight back to left. A right sachet. Side, together, side. Weight on your right. Cross left over right. Recover your weight back to right foot. A left sachet. Side, together, side. Your weight is on your left. A cross rock. Recover. Right sachet. Side, together, side. A cross rock. Recover. A left sachet. Side, together, side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 1 and 2. Side, together, a right sachet. Side, together, side. A cross rock, recover. Cross rock, recover. A left sachet. Side, together, side. A right cross rock. Cross rock, recover. A right sachet. Side, together, side. A left cross rock, recover. A left sachet, side, together, side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. Step right foot to the back. Recover your weight back to left. We'll do 3 forward shuffle. A right forward shuffle. Right, forward, together, forward. A left forward shuffle. Left, forward, together, forward. A right forward shuffle. Forward, together, forward. One, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 1, 2, 3. A side together, a right sachet, a cross rock, recover, a left sachet, a cross rock, recover, right sachet, a cross rock, recover, left sachet, back rock, recover, a right forward shuffle, a left forward shuffle, another right forward shuffle. One, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we'll do a pivot half turn. Step left foot forward and do a half turn, transferring your weight to right. Another forward left shuffle. Forward, together, forward. A side rock, recover. Step right foot to right side. recover your weight to left, a cross rock recover, cross, right foot over left, recover your weight back to left, and your weight is on your left. And we restart the dance from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's review 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your side together. 1, 2, a right sachet, 3 and 4, front rock recover, 5, 6, a left sachet, 7 and 8. A cross rock recover, 1, 2, a right sachet, 3 and 4. A cross rock recover, 5, 6, a left sachet, 7 and 8. A back rock recover, 1, 2, 3 forward shuffle, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. A pivot half turn, 1, 2, a forward shuffle, 3 and 4, a side rock recover, 5, 6, a cross rock recover, 7, 8. And we restart from the beginning. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Pivot turn. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is wall number 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Back rock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Pivot turn. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is wall 4. Wall 4, we're going to dance only the first 8 count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then right now we're going to do a 4 count tag. It's a cross rock, cross right foot over left, recover your weight back to left, step right foot to right side, and recover the weight back to left. For the tag is 1, 2, 3, 4. Weight on the left. And we restart wall 5. Facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Cross rock. 1, 2, sachet, 3 and 4. Cross rock. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Back rock. 1, 2, forward, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Pivot turn. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, let's join me for the dance. There's a 32 count intro for this dance. 6, 7, side. Sachet, cross rock.
Preaching, my
Cross rock.
attention span
Sachet,
done turned
cross rock.
on.
Back rock.
I'm honed in on that angel
Pivot turn.
singing up there in the
Side
choir
rock.
alone. She's got her daddy's money, her mama's good looks,
Cross
more
rock.
laughs
Sachet.
and a stack of comic books.
Back rock.
Wild imagination, a college education,
turn.
add it
Shuffle, side
all
rock.
up, it's a
Back
deadly
rock.
combination. She's a
1,
good
2,
fast
3 and
fisher,
4.
a dynamite kisser,
rock. Shuffle.
country as a turnip green.
Back rock.
Her second cousin was my third grade teacher.
Crosswalk,
I used to
Chasse.
cut her grandma's
Crosswalk,
rag.
Chasse. Back
Back
rock.
then she was
Three
nothing
shuffle.
but knees and
Pivot
elbows.
turn.
Golly, did
Shuffle.
she grow up
Crosswalk, side rock.
fast? She's got her daddy's money,
Crosswalk,
mama's
Chasse.
good looks,
Crosswalk,
for
Chasse.
laughs and a stack of
back
comic
rock.
books.
Three
Wild
shuffle.
imagination, college
Pivot
education.
turn.
Add it all up, it's a deadly
Release up, no?
combination. She's a
1,
good
2,
fast
3,
fisher,
and 4.
a dynamite
Crosswalk,
kisser.
Chasse.
Country as a turnip green.
A back rock.
She's got her daddy's
shuffle.
money, her mama's good looks.
Pivot turn.
And look who's looking at me.
Side. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Any miracles
Cross
handy,
Chasse.
maybe you can grant me one.
A back rock.
Just let me walk down the aisle and say I do
Pivot
to
turn.
that angel with the
Shuffle,
choir
side rock,
of
cross rock.
on.
Lift up.
She's got her daddy's money, her mama's good looks,
Cross
for
rock,
laughs and a stack of comic
Back
books.
rock.
A wild
Shuffle.
imagination, a college education.
Pivot.
Add it all up, it's a deadly combination. She's a good bass fisher, a dynamite kisser, country as a turnip green.
Back rock.
She's got her daddy's
Three
money,
shuffle.
her mama's good
Pivot
looks,
turn.
and look who's looking at me. She's got her daddy's money, her mama's good looks, and she's looking at me.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.